Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add LUTs in Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Filmora application and as you can see, I have created a project here and I'm going to add LUTs. If we want to add LUTs, we need to go to the color menu right here. But before it, you need to click on your video until your video is active, and then you can go to the color, and here you'll be able to add your own LUT. And for example guys, I'm going to add a LUT I have just downloaded from the internet. Make sure you have activated this LUT option, and here you can add your LUT. And I'm just going to add LUT from my download folder. Okay, this one. Okay, I got this LUT from the internet, and as you can see guys, that the LUT has been applied to my video. I'm going to show you the before and after. Wait, I'm going to undo. Okay, this is before I apply LUT, and this is after I apply this LUT. And here you can protect your skin tone if you want. Just go to this section and here you can customize the strength of the LUT. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on save as custom. Oops, sorry, I don't want to do that. And okay, this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add LUT on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.